Gonna open up a pack of 1992 Leaf. This is 1992 Leaf Series 1. Nice reflective mirror wrapper here. Let's see who we get. One black gold insert per pack. Black gold's actually one of my favorite parallel sets ever. Let's see. Ken Caminiti. Oh, there's our black gold. Hey, George Brett. Very cool. I like that black border. Dickie Thon. Mo Vaughn. Is everybody going to rhyme? Robbie Thompson. Nope. Charles Nagy. Scott Service, eventual Mariners manager. Hey, George Brett, regular and black gold. Pete O'Brien. Checklist with Ripken. Jamie Navarro. Dave Howard. Craig Harris. Big Mac. Mark McGuire. And Joe Hesketh. 1992 Leaf Series 1. Yeah, those black golds are kind of cool looking. Very nice.